Hello everyone! I'm so happy that my darling got me this cell phone holder, and yeah, this it is awesome. It is amazing. Wow, I'm so happy that I got that. Now I can record myself. Record. I can record myself very at ease because I have that. I don't have to hold it in my hand in order for me to vlog or to have picture or a video. It's now more easier to me to make a video now. Thank you to my darling who always there to buy me something not so special but necessary for my work. Well, not my work, but some necessary for what he knows what I want. He knows what is my happiness, even the simple things. Yes, even in the simple things, I appreciate how he always bought me something that not so special, something simple, but I know that it's important for me, and also he knows that these things is something that I need. Wow, I'm so excited to use this on my blog, on my video, also on Zoom because we do Zoom every Monday for. Wow, it's very good, darling. I'm so happy to get you got this for me. Wow, I didn't need to hold my phone, and it's less. I can also record it. I can apply work to this more easier because before I'm not at ease because I have to hold my phone in my hand in order for me to record or to take photos. But now it's just all I need to do is to timer, and then yeah, I can move it to anywhere I want. Oh wow, I think I'm so pretty now, so I have to take also photo, I think. Hi, I feel I'm the prettiest among the prettiest. No. So happy with this. Wow, I think my sister told me that I look good, I look pretty, and it's because of the soap that I am selling, and that was from her. That was actually her business, but it didn't work out. I mean, I didn't got any sale from those soap, but I think it's good for me because he told me that I look great now.